Welcome guys. So this is my Leetcode solving section called the matrix diagonal sum. So 1572. So given a square matrix, return the sum of the matrix diagonals. Also, so there are two kinds of diagonals. The first is primary diagonal. The second is secondary diagonal. Okay, so the problem is somebody give you a square matrix, so n by n square matrix, and you need to give the sum of all these 5 elements in this 3 by 3. So the answer is 1 plus 5 plus 3 plus 7 plus 9, which is 25. And for the 4 by 4, you just count the primary. So primary diagonal is 4, secondary diagonal is 4, so 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, so to do this, we need to check that. So first we compute the rank. So this rank is just n by n. So length of the matrix 0, and so S is the answer. So we initialize S, and we compute the so-called primary diagonal. So basically, for in the rank, we compute a diagonal. So basically, it's 0, 1, 1, 2, 2 element. And the secondary diagonal is a little bit tricky, but you can check. So for example, this is 0, the row index is 0, the column index is 2, so 0, 2, 1, 1, and the 2, 0. So you see the second diagonal, the secondary diagonal basically is the primary, its coordinate is x and y, but x plus y need to be rank minus 1. So we start from matrix I, and then rank minus 1 minus I. So this is the index. The subtlety is that for example, for these 5, I only count 1 times. So the rank minus 1 minus I cannot be I. So this is the one way to get the secondary. And the second way is that you can distinguish 2 cases. Suppose the rank is odd, then you will count this twice. If the rank is even, then you will not count it twice. Okay, so I think it's very easy that you understand this question. And finally, you just compute the sum, so it's very fast. It also there's almost no memory, and this is the linear timeliness. Okay, because if you only take like 2n elements, so there are at most a sum of 2n elements in a matrix. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.